you all viewers. Today we are here at the Hospital to witness the situation that is right here on the ground. A lot of people are dying due to COVID-19, and I'm sure you know a lot of people who have died, a lot of people that I will not mention, a lot of influential people, a lot of young people, and I continue to say, may their souls rest in peace. Today here with me is our chief analyst who will analyze the situation that is here on the ground and why people continuously die due to the pandemic. Sir, how are you? Welcome.
Welcome our viewers.
Sir, please analyze the situation that is on the ground.
Coronavirus is causing lots of death. You know why? It's because the corona in the Bible was for people receiving holy. And now, in the country, in a whole, nyika dzakatikomberedza, is too much fake prophet, making people receiving corona. Now, in Bible time, corona once. But now every Sunday, people are received the corona. So, too much food and too much corona makes stomach go. So, some corona, too much received people die. Thank you.
That was it from our national chief analyst. Back to the studio.